Click on the link below to get price. The ALORAIR Commercial Dehumidifier with pump drain hose is a powerhouse designed for serious moisture control in large spaces. With an impressive capacity of 190 pints, this unit excels in both residential and commercial settings, efficiently eliminating excess humidity and preventing mold growth. Setting up the dehumidifier is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface and smart Wi-Fi capabilities. Connecting it to your home network allows for remote monitoring and adjustments via a smartphone app, which is a game changer for those who want to control humidity levels without being physically present. The app is intuitive and provides real-time data on humidity levels, making it easy to ensure optimal conditions. One of the standout features is the built-in pump, which automatically expels collected water through the included drain hose. This eliminates the need for manual emptying, allowing for continuous operation without the hassle of checking water levels. It's particularly advantageous in basements or large areas where access to a drain might be limited. The dehumidifier is robustly constructed, designed to withstand industrial environments. Its durable casing and high-efficiency compressor ensure long-lasting performance. Additionally, the noise level is surprisingly low for a unit of this size, making it suitable for places like libraries or offices where a quiet atmosphere is essential. Moreover, the adjustable humidistat allows users to set their desired humidity level, ensuring a customizable experience. The auto restart function is another thoughtful addition, automatically resuming operation after a power outage, which is essential for maintaining stable humidity in sensitive environments. In terms of energy efficiency, the ALORAIR dehumidifier is designed to consume less power while delivering high-performance results, which is beneficial for both the environment and your electricity bill. Overall, this dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone in need of reliable, heavy-duty moisture control, combining advanced technology with practical features for a seamless experience.